Welcome to today's video on the key to successful weight loss, nutrition first. In the next 10 minutes, we'll cover the importance of nutrition and how it plays a crucial role in your weight loss journey. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the basics. Proper nutrition is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and supporting your overall well-being. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. And this can be achieved by eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. Now, let's dive into some key nutrition tips. 1. Eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables every day to get a wide range of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 2. Choose lean protein sources like poultry, fish, beans, and legumes to keep your energy levels up and help you feel full longer. 3. Incorporate whole grains, such as brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa, into your diet for fiber and healthy carbohydrates. 4. Don't forget healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds, which can help regulate your metabolism and aid in weight loss. 5. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, as water plays a crucial role in digestion, metabolism, and overall health. Remember, a well-rounded diet is the foundation of a successful weight loss journey. By focusing on proper nutrition, you will be well on your way to achieving your goals. So, let's get moving and start making healthier food choices today.